Discord is a great place to hang out with your friends, but what will you do if your friends aren't there? My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can add friends on Discord. As you can probably already guess, adding friends in Discord is a very simple thing to do. Just open Discord, and in here you'll generally land on this page. It will show you your online friends and the like, but what we're going to do is we're going to click on this add friend button. Now in here you're going to have to enter the username of your Discord friend. If you need to find out how to find usernames, we already have a video on that, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in the username of one person I already know and have friends with on Discord. So just type this message or type the username, go ahead, click on send friend request, and as long as the username is correct, the request will already be sent. It failed in this case because, as you can read, I'm already friends with that user, but that's how you add friends or anyone else that you want on Discord using the username on PC. On phone, the process is slightly different, so let's check out how that works. So if you're wanting to add friends on the Discord mobile app, just open the app up and head over to the home tab. You'll see the add friends button right at the top. Tap it and then you can search for friends in a number of ways. You can either copy your link and send it to your friends on a number of angles, on a number of different social media apps. You can also scroll through the suggested friends list, which Discord automatically comes up with based on what your contacts are, and so on and so forth. Finally, you can also add by username. So just tap the button, search for a username, and then tap the send friend request button. So for example, if I go ahead and type a friend's username, the send friend request button comes alive, and then as soon as I tap it, the request will be sent. Now this request isn't going to be sent because the person is already my friend, but if you were to enter a new username, they will get the request. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we bring for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.